Hey Spencer, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, you'll get a better understanding of how your competitors are being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. When I go through your website, I see you have great photos and a beautiful layout, of course. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seems to be working just fine. It's a great website. However, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services, in this case, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want to bump up to 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for the backlinks and citations, let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid tool, of course. Here we'll view the back end of your website. This is what you have going. So currently you have over 300 backlinks, 18 referring domains, organic keywords 8. This is very important. Organic traffic 0. So starting off with backlinks, when you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the services that you offer, that's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. And that would fall under the UR meter here, but unfortunately, you have zeros. So the 300 backlinks that you currently have are not giving you any power. The DR meter, also at a 0, would fall under the citation. A citation is essentially a company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, to create an avenue for people to reach them for their services, that's pretty much what a citation is. And again, that would fall under the DR meter here and referring domains. So you have nothing going, nothing behind the scenes of your website is giving you power, unfortunately. You want to keep this at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just good practice. It will give you preference when comparing it to another website inside of Google. So there's no people jumping onto your website organically, unfortunately. When comparing it to one of your competitors, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. You can see they have a little bit text content, not the minimum 1,500. However, they do have a lot of keywords that's giving them a bit of power. So they currently have over 600 backlinks, 60 referring domains, again, over 300 keywords, very important. Organic traffic, so on a monthly basis, 110 people are jumping onto their website organically. The UR meter, no data, DR 2.3, not in a 1-to-1 ratio. And of course, the 600 backlinks are not giving them any power. They're not relevant. They are improving, though, on the referring pages. However, last and most important, the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to before. You currently have 8, I believe, and they have over 300. Looking at your competitors' list of keywords, this keyword here has approximately a search volume of 150. This keyword here, approximately a search volume of 80. That's over 200 people. Imagine those 200 people are finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO, is to fight to give power to your website. Beat these competitors. If you are to follow these tips, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. Well, Spencer, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Spencer. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.